What's up, guys? Welcome here to another Zoom session, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but if you can hear me, just comment. If you can't hear me, just comment and say you can hear me. So, guys, on today's Zoom session, guys, basically what I want to discuss is breakouts, guys. I've realized some of you guys don't even know how to trade breakouts, right? So the whole purpose of this video is for me to show you how to trade breakouts the right way, guys. So without wasting any time, guys, let me just jump into it. Let me remove everything and just jump into it. So guys, with breakouts, guys, obviously, um, sorry about that. Wait. So guys, with breakouts, obviously you have your structure, right? Let's say, no. Let's say the market is moving within an uptrend structure, right? It's moving like this. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. This. Then you can see, obviously, you have your lines here, your trend lines, first side, second side, third side. Let's say the third side was here, and then the market is currently here, right? Other trend. This one doesn't matter. Other trend like that. So guys, obviously with breakouts, you obviously have to wait for the market to break. In an uptrend, obviously you have to wait for the market to break your supporting trend line, right? After breaking that supporting trend line, guys, obviously you have to wait for the market to retest the trend line, guys, the trend line. And then when it gets to the trend line, guys, you have to wait for some sort of a reversal candlestick. Then that's when we can take your selling opportunities all the way to the downside to hit your take profit. But then let's say you missed this entry here. What are you gonna do now? If you missed this entry here, guys, what you can do is just simply mark out your previous higher lows, guys, which is here, and then just simply wait for the market to, let me just remove everything here. It's messy. Just wait for the market to drop, guys. Wait for the market to drop, drop, break your previous higher low, and then give you a retest on the higher low. Then wait for a reversal candlestick. That's when you can start to scale in and take your selling opportunities, right? So basically, guys, with breakouts, there's really not much. It's just that simple, right? But you have to practice, obviously, guys. It looks simple, but it's not easy, right? Because it's trading. So you have to practice, guys. Let me just make an example of the downtrend. So with a downtrend structure, you can see market is trending down, whatever, right? And then we have our trend line, just like that. First touch, second touch, obviously third touch. Then now the market, then now the market comes back to the trend line and breaks. When it breaks, guys, what do you do? When it breaks, guys, what do you do? The first thing, guys, you have to mark out your previous lower highs, right? You have to mark out your previous lower highs, just like that. Then when it breaks, all you have to do, guys, is just simply wait for the market to retest the trend line there. And then once it gets to the trend line, wait for a reversal candlestick. Then that's when you can take your entries. But if you miss this entry, then obviously you can wait for price to go all the way up, break our previous lower high, retest, wait for another candlestick, and then you can take your entries to go to the upside. So that's really that. It's just really like that, guys, with breakouts. I'm not gonna stick much with it, guys, because you have to read the PDFs I've sent you. I think I've sent you the trendline breakout um strategy, something like that. I don't know what the PDF says now because it's been a long time since I've read it, right? But then let me make an example, live chart example, right? So right now I'm currently analyzing USDCHF, and you can see that price. We can see that okay, price has been trending down, giving us lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And now price is just shooting up, right? So obviously seeing that this, we can see that price is inside a nice downtrend structure, guys. And you can see here, first surge, right, first surge, second surge, anticipated a third surge, but then you can see how the market reacted, broke out and closed above, and now the market just shot up and came back, guys, to give us a retest, guys. In this case, though, you can see that here price also tested this wait, you can see that price here also tested this level, guys. It also tested this previous um higher low, lower high, guys, this previous lower high, right? And it closed above. And look, just from a daily time frame, guys, you can see that price already gave us a reversal candlestick on the retest, guys, on the retest of the trend line after the breakout. And we identify this candlestick um as a pin bar, guys. This is a bullish pin bar. Let me just write it down so it makes more sense. So guys, just from the daily time frame, you can tell how price is gonna move on USDCHF, right? Yo, this thing is slow. The fuck. Okay, guys. Yo, network. Bullish, bullish pin bar. So this is a bullish pin bar candlestick on the retest, guys, plus the retest of the previous lower high, guys. So already I can anticipate buying opportunities on USDCHF, right? Obviously having the first take profit on the previous lower high and initially the take profit there, right? But then you can see, guys, this is just the daily time frame. Although the daily time frame confirms everything, like, guys, the daily time frame, make no mistakes. It confirms everything we need to trade a breakout. You can see nice structure, break of the structure, and then reversal candlestick. So obviously when the chart opens, guys, and then the spreads they come down probably around one or two, just simply gonna take those trades and move all the way up with it, right? Move all the way up with it. This is like a swing type of trade. This is a type of trade. If you're a swing trader, then you can definitely hop on this. But what the market can do when it opens, guys, I don't like predicting, but like what the market can do is just give us a drawdown and then starts to go up, go up, go up. But then when the candlestick, if the candlestick gives us a drawdown and obviously it becomes red and then goes up and become blue again, then you can take your entries, guys, to go all the way to the upside, right? So this is a live example, guys, of the breakout trading strategy, guys. Let me find another pair. And this is a market breakdown, guys, like for USDCHF. So let me do another market breakdown. Let me see. I'm not sure about this one. Let me see this one. Let me see this one. Okay, let me check this one out. So this is EURCAD, guys. EURCAD, you can see that it's moving kind of. It was moving in an uptrend, but then now you can see we have these. It's a high, then we have a lower high, then this is a lower low, and obviously now price maybe might come here to create a lower high before it can actually starts to sell. So overall speaking, guys, the market is in a downtrend here. Overall speaking, the market is in a downtrend, right? But then this is a daily time frame, and there's really not much on a daily time frame. So let me move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see now price came from this type of structure because we had these lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then yeah, price has been moving like that ever since until it shot up, right? So we had some sort of downtrend structure here, guys. If you can see, we had some sort of a downtrend structure. And what do I say? After I break out, what do? You mark out your lower highs, right? Your previous lower highs. This is also a lower high. This is also a lower high. This is also a lower high. This is a final high. So you can see that clean breakout, guys, clean breakout. And obviously, you can see that price is currently too far to retest the trend line. I'm not saying that it won't. It might retrace back to the trend line, right? Price might retrace back to the trend line. In this case, you can see that the lower high, guys, it's above the trend line. So what price might do, we have two options here, guys. Price might actually just pull back here and test this lower high and give us a reversal candlestick here before it can actually starts to buy, right? Or price can just simply just give us a pull back all the way to the trend line and then starts giving us those buys. But overall speaking, guys, we are looking for those buying opportunities. But then on a daily time frame, guys, our overall direction is obviously sells, guys. Hence, you can see here we also have another structure here. Oh, but then it's a breakout, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, guys, overall speaking, we are in a downtrend, although there are some opportunities for buys right now on EURCAD, guys. So I hope, guys, that you see how to trade like breakouts, right? How to trade like breakouts. And also, guys, you have to read the PDFs that I sent you guys on the trendline breakout trading strategy or something like that. You have to read those PDFs, guys. Like I said, I didn't send those PDFs to mock you, but I sent those PDFs so it can help you, right? And I'm actually gonna post this video on YouTube. So for those who like didn't join, you'll just catch it on YouTube. So Euro AUD CAD, guys. On AUD CAD, you can see prices in a downtrend, nice downtrend, and obviously we can anticipate price to move here and give us a third touch before it can actually produce those selling opportunities. This is not a breakout, guys. I'm just giving you a market update on this one. So this is just a daily time frame. Let me move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, now we can start to see breakouts, right? You can see here we had some sort of a structure. We had some sort of a structure here. Nice. Clean, guys. Clean structure. And obviously we had a breakout. After a breakout, what do, guys? We mark out our previous lower highs, right? This is also a lower high. This is also a lower high. This is also a lower high, right? This is the highest one, guys. So right now you can see price is currently like resisting here, right? Price is currently resisting. So what price might do is just move to the downside here, give us a retest on this previous lower high, or price can just simply come back to the trend line and test the trend line before it can actually start to shoot up. So we can either get our buying opportunities from here, guys. Can either get our buying opportunities from here, and it goes hand in hand with the daily structure, because on the daily time frame, remember, we have to get to this trend line, right? So it goes hand in hand with the daily structure, or we can get our buying opportunities here. Either way, guys, either way, we're just gonna wait for the market to react on this level or the trend line and see how it reacts, right? Then we can take our buying opportunities. So that's my take, guys, on AUD CAD, guys. And I hope you can see how to properly trade like breakouts, guys. So guys, without any waste, guys, or any waste of time, I think I'm just gonna end this video here, guys. I think I'm gonna end the session here, right? But then let me analyze one more pair for y'all. Okay, I analyzed this one. Okay, guys, on EURGBP, guys, EURGBP, you can simply see that we came from this sorry about that, we came from this downtrend structure here, and then price just started doing its thing. You see here it gave us a fake out and then started doing this, you see, guys. So it's like it's not valid, right? It's not valid. So what I'm gonna do, guys, just simply remove this trend line and just move to the 4-hour time frame, since, well, there's nothing much on the daily time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have an uptrend structure, having our first touch here, second touch, just to adjust, second touch, and obviously now we're gonna have to wait for the market to come back to the trend line and give us a third touch before we can actually look for those buying opportunities all the way to the upside here. So there's really not much on this pair, guys. Let me move on a 1-hour time frame and see what's happening. So yeah, guys, on the 1-hour time frame, we're just gonna simply wait for price to get to the trend line and give us a reversal candlestick. That's when we can take our buying opportunities, having our first take profit here, then initially our take profit there. So clean, guys. Nothing much on it. Clean, 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 clean. So yeah, guys, I hope you've learned a lot from this Zoom lesson, guys. And I hope to see you on the other Zoom lesson, guys. So have a blessed Sunday, guys. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Blessed Sunday indeed, guys. So I will be sending more setups in the group, guys. It's just that I've been having these busy weeks, but then nonetheless, guys, I'm gonna try to make time for you guys. So yeah, guys, see you on the next session, guys. See you on the